So how to add a new domain in Hostinger? Okay, so let's jump right in this video, and if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you subscribe for more and like these videos. So what we're gonna have to do here is I'm gonna click on home, I'm gonna click on manage here. So here just click on sorry, I'll just refresh this and I'll click on manage now. And then here business web hosting. Okay, so add website, and then here I'll click on home and manage, and then add a website, and then the WordPress okay, so I'll click on migrate, and here I'm gonna just copy and paste this domain name. So and then here now we're gonna have a new option here called how to, we have the domain and then registered at another provider. And now I'm going to click on next, and the audience wherever you want. Now process might take a few minutes, and we're just going to have to wait a couple of seconds. So I'll actually just pause this video. Now we're going to see here this this new website, but we didn't connect it, so we're going to click on connect here. Now here we're going to click on get started, and then here we're going to have to paste this right over here. So just go to your, in my case, Namecheap, and I'm gonna click on manage here. I'm gonna just paste this here. Okay, and save. And once it's done, I'm gonna click on all done. Your domain connection is in progress. It may take up 24 hours for a site to become available, accessible via. Okay. And now we just need to basically wait, just wait. Now you just need to wait and 24 hours. Here you're gonna see your domain is not connected, but just need to wait 24 hours, as you can see here. You're gonna see your WordPress. You can install WordPress, or here you have auto installer, and then you can just select WordPress here and add WordPress. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.